The other way is to use Canva. And I was the campus webmaster at my other school, and so I used Canva to create, posts to go on the website and stuff for other teachers and that type of thing. So recently, I decided to buy the pro version of Canva because there's so many more options that you can do and so much more access to different things with the pro version. So that's what I have, but there is a free version and you can do this just as easily as you can with the free version. So what I like to do is I go to create a design and you can go to custom dimensions or you can just go like to Facebook post just because it's going to be a square post, so it'll be kind of easy to draw. So when you do that, it will pull up, this is my blank canvas right here. And then over here on the left, there are the different items that you can add to your Canva, whatever it is that you're creating. So elements are where the different shapes are. So the cool thing about Canva is there are animated things that you can add to. So you can put animated stickers. Now, I don't know if they'll work in every platform as far as being animated, but that is something that is kind of useful with Canva. So there are different shapes that you can choose. So for this sticker, I'm going to make it that shaped. We'll do the hexagon there. And if you want to, that's the standard color, but you can change it by clicking on the color square right up here. And you can add other color palettes. You can choose a specific color. And I'm going to I'll go with a black sticker or a black background. And then now I want to add my image. So this one I searched, this is a pro image. I'm at Conroe High School. So I'm going to make a tiger sticker. So I'm going to take my tiger and shrink him down and put him there in the center of my sticker. So that's just, that one's cool. I could add words to it if I wanted to. Or I could just leave it like this. If I wanted to add words, I'd click on the text. And if you like a font that's already there, you can click on it and it'll move it to your sticker. And then you can, let's see, I'll just type Conroe and then click on the bottom and we'll just type tigers right there. And then we can make this bigger, make it smaller. Let's just move it over to there, just to kind of show you what it's like. Okay, and then once I have that made, there's a sticker, simple as that. So then I'll hit download, and of course you want it to be a PNG, and then you want to check this transparent background only, then click download. And it will prepare your design, and there we go. So now I have another Conroe tiger sticker. And save that into my little sticker file. And now I have it. So then when you're working on student work, and if you have a Google file open, and I'm not quite sure, I haven't played around in Canva yet, so I'm not sure how it works there. But then you can just add the sticker to the pages when you're grading work and that type of thing. Another thing I want to show you with Canva is you can also, as long as you have Canva open in Chrome and you have that Bitmoji extension, what you'll do is you'll find your Bitmoji that you want to use, and you will right click and copy, and then click back in Canva, and you can't right click and paste, but you have to Control V to paste, and it will paste it in there for you to do your Bitmoji for your sticker. Let me see. Let's add this here. Let's move the Bitmoji. Oh, it's moving it behind. So with Canva, you can, if you right click on something, you can bring it forward or send it to the back to arrange it where you want it to be in your, excuse me, in your sticker. Um, you can resize it just like you could in Google. And the other thing with stickers that I didn't show you with the tiger sticker is when you're looking on here for things to add, like you can just scroll through. There are a ton of different things that you can use. If it says free, then you can use it on the free version. If it's not free, it'll say pro. And let's see if I can find one that's pro. These are all free. This one right here, those mountains, that's pro. So that's with the paid version. But there are so many of these other things. The other thing you can do is you could take your own things and upload them. You can upload your own images. So this is what's kind of cool. You can take a picture, and with the paid version, I'd say I move this picture over here. Let's get rid of the Bitmoji me. I'm going to delete that. And so I have the picture of me. This is my classroom last year. So I'm going to click on that picture and I click on effects, and then I can remove the background. And ta-da! Now I have me on the sticker. And then you can really personalize your stickers, add your words, great job, excellent work, whatever you want to it. And then just always remember when you save it to do download transparent background and save it as a PNG. Otherwise, it will be this whole white square with whatever you create for your sticker. You can take any of these other pictures. You can see which ones are pro, but there are some that are free. You can type in math and find math-related pictures and images. There's just so much that you can do with Canva that I think it's a lot easier to make the stickers with Canva than using the Google Draw to make Canva stickers. So, excuse me, I've got allergies. I promise it's not anything else. So anyway, that's it. I took this right here. I just use it as a logo. I could create that and make it a sticker. I mean, there's just, like I said, there's so much you can do. But each template that you make is a sticker by itself. You don't want to put 3 stickers on here because then that would be a whole group of like 3 or 4 stickers that you were making for your students. But anyway, if you have any questions, shoot me another email. Hopefully I didn't go too fast, but I didn't want to make the video too long and too overwhelming. If you need it broken down a little bit more, just reach out to me and I'll see if I can help you that way. All right, thanks. See you later.